Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve today. We've been having a ball on this channel. I just got that Ninja CREAMI Deluxe, and we've been making some ice cream, some sorbets. It's been a whole lot of fun, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more of them, a lot of different recipes. But today, we're going to do a Texas Roadhouse steak, or at least my rendition of a Texas Roadhouse steak. And it's going to be good. I guarantee it. Wait till you see these things. We went to a place in Arcadia, Florida called K&J's Market, and we picked up these steaks. We had them, it was a slab of meat, and we had it cut up into 1-inch steaks. These things are beautiful. The marbling, well, you'll see here in a minute how they look. But $4.29 a pound. We got about 15 steaks out of it. It's going to make for some good eating. So guys, I'm going to get them pulled out of the refrigerator, show them to you, and we're going to get that seasoning on there, and I'll give you that recipe for the seasoning. Okay, I got these things pulled out of the refrigerator. New York strips, $4.29 a pound. Look at these. Look at that marbling in there. These are beautiful. I think this is the prettiest steak I ever bought, and hopefully they taste really good. We're going to be finding out at the end of the video. So let's get that seasoning pulled out and get these seasoned up. Okay guys, I got my Texas Roadhouse seasoning that I got mixed up right here. We're going to be putting that on, and you can check out the recipe for that and make you up some. First, we're going to spray these guys down with some extra virgin olive oil. And I got this sprayer here, and I'll have a link in the video, underneath the video in the description, where you can check these out. I'll have a whole list of items of my favorite stuff where you can check them out, price them out, see if you like any of them. So we're just going to spray these guys down. We'll go ahead and flip them over and do the other side. These things are really looking good. Whoa. And we're going to grab some seasoning. We're going to season these guys up, both sides. And today we're going to be cooking on the RecTeq BullsEye. I love that grill. It's a pellet grill, and it gets up to like 700 degrees. We're going to be cooking on that, and we're going to be using some Bear Mountain pellets. That's all I ever use is Bear Mountain pellets. They burn clean, burn hot, and there's no foul odor to them. And I'm going to be using bold flavor today. They make a lot of different flavors. They probably have, I don't know, 15, 20 different flavors. But I like the bold. They got a bourbon blend. Of course, they got hickory and maple and all kinds of flavors. I haven't found any that I don't like. So we're going to get these seasoned up. I'm going to go out and get that RecTeq BullsEye all fired up and get it up to cooking temperature. Then we'll be throwing these guys on. Okay, we're making our way out to the grill, and got two RecTeqs here, one being the big bull over here in the corner and the BullsEye, and we're going to be cooking these steaks on the BullsEye today. So we're going to get down here and power it up. Right now it's set at 425. We're going to go up to 450, and then we're going to come over and read the actual temperature, and it's showing 106 degrees. And here's what we're cooking with, Bear Mountain bold pellets today. So we're going to let this baby get all heated up, and we'll be getting those steaks on. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes or so, and it's up to 120. So it'll take about, it normally takes about 15 minutes to get up to temperature. As you can see, at 120 it's smoking pretty good. So we're going to let that thing finish getting heated up, and we'll get to cooking here in a minute. Okay, I got these steaks on here. The grill was up to temperature in about 15 minutes, and it doesn't matter what temperature set point you have it set at, whether it be 250, 225, 450, 700, it takes about 15 minutes to get up to temperature. So I think that's set up in the program that ramps up to temperature in about 15 minutes. So let's get that lid closed and let them get to cooking. Okay, these steaks are up to about 105 degrees internal temperature, and I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Wow, look at that. Looking good. I did stick the temperature probe in this guy here so we can monitor the temperature. These are looking mighty good. So I got these guys flipped. Now we're going to throw a little butter on top. Just kind of let that goodness melt in there. Get some on that other one. So we're going to go ahead and let this finish cooking. And then we'll be taking them inside and be doing a taste test. Can't wait for that. Okay guys, I got them steaks pulled inside here. Cooked them up to internal temperature 135, medium rare. We're going to cut into it, do a taste test, see what it's like. This is my favorite part. Okay, you guessed it, taste test. Got me a little bite right here. Look at that. Smelling so good. We're going in. Oh, that's so good. So tender. Really flavorful. That's good. But guys, I gotta admit, I haven't been to Texas Roadhouse in a long time. Normally we fix our steaks here at the house, and they're much better. And this one's really good. So give it a try, guys. It's good eating. That butter thrown on there at the end, add an extra layer of flavor. This is good. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I hope to see you on the next one. We got a lot coming up.